Our next task at hand is going to be a precise move. So let's click on Scene tab, Task 2, Precise Move, and let's take a look at the challenge we have in front of us here. Now, a precise move is when you move an object, like one of these blocks, from a point on the object, like an end point or even a midpoint. So we're going to move it from a point on the block to a specific point in the model. So we're not just kind of moving that block around, we're actually moving it with a very deliberate goal in mind. So this is what I call a precise move. Now you can see that I've set up these 4 blocks with the letter A, and we want to move all the A's to the crosshairs in the middle. So let's do that. We'll hop into SketchUp here. And remember, you want to be at a view that is strategic for what you're working on. So to move this point right here to this point right here, this is a really good view. All right, so I will hover on the end point on this block and click once to pick it up. And then I'm going to move my crosshairs over here and snap to the crosshair here and click to place it. All right, let's do it again. I can use my move tool and hover on this bottom left corner, click once to pick it up, and move my cursor over here and snap to that point again and click. All right, so now we're in good shape. And let's do it again here. Again, navigating to the view that is strategic for what I'm working on. I'll click once here, move my cursor and snap to the point and click again. And now the last piece of the puzzle. If I want to move this from this view, look at what happens. If I snap to this point and move it over here, see how the model kind of blocks my ability to snap to that point? Well, the nice thing about not clicking and dragging, the nice thing about click and release, is my index finger is free to orbit. So I can orbit to the bottom of the model and then snap to that point and place that block right where it's supposed to be. Looking good.